Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's say 10,000 people visit your website and out of 10,000, only 225 end up buying. So the question is, where did the other 9,775 go? So some dashboards show the traffic and some even show the sales, but there are very few who actually show the journey in between. So in this video, we will be trying to look at that journey. So I will be showing you how to do a funnel analysis right in Power BI using a funnel chart, and most importantly, how to think it like a business analyst, not just a report builder. So let's jump right into it.
All right, so here is the dashboard we are working with. We have two pages. Firstly, we have the overview tab, and secondly, we have the final overview. So let me quickly show you the final results first. So this is what it looks like. I will tell you all the results shortly. So let's just first try to understand what funnel analysis is. So funnel analysis basically tracks how users move from a defined journey. In our case, the journey is homepage, uh, product page, then we have cart, then we have checkout, and finally we have purchase. Okay. So at each step, some users leave. The funnel shape simply visualize that shrinkage. So instead of just knowing how many users visit it, we understand how effectively they convert. And that's where business decision come from, right? So in order to create that funnel analysis, I actually had to create some of the DAX functions. So let me first show you the data. Data is very simple. I firstly have the user ID, then I have the different stages. As I said, I firstly have the home page, then product page, then we have the let's say cart, then checkout, and finally we have purchase. And finally, we have a flag here. Is that user got converted or not? Like, is that user converted into a sales or not? So this is what it means. And finally, I created a column, calculated column, just to make sure that our stages are in our right order. So for this, I actually used the new column, and here I simply use the switch statement, where I firstly refer to the table and then the column which I want to use. And for the home page, I'm setting it as one, product page two, card three, four, and finally five, just to make sure our stages are aligned and in a correct sorted way. So other than that, I have created some of the measures. Firstly, we have the total users. This would be just a distinct count, just to make sure. Otherwise, we have the unique user IDs over here. And then we have the total homepage users, the people who actually came to our like homepage. So for this, I just set a condition as stage is equal to homepage. And finally, we have the overall conversion. So this is the reason I calculated the homepage, just to refer to that homepage measure. Otherwise, I can also try to calculate over here. But yeah, I thought to do it here to keep it separate. But yeah, here I'm firstly calculating the user IDs and then all the other users where the stage is purchased, because these are the users who have actually got converted. They have actually made a purchase to us, and dividing that with the total homepage users to get the overall conversion rate, right? So these are the three simple measures, but obviously we can create more based on our needs and based on our objectives. So yes, over here the visual is very simple. It's over here this one that is used for the funnel analysis. And here we firstly provide the category, which would be the sales pipeline or any other marketing pipeline that you have. In my case, it's this one. So I just add it over here. And then we have the value. And here we will actually show the like number of leads or number of users that we got from that pipeline. So this is what I added over here. And I can even try to add this one, that measure that I created. So yes, and after adding that, this is what our data looks like. Firstly, we got 10,000 users, and then out of 10,000, like we got 50% users who actually went to the product page. And same way, like we have 30% out of the 50% who actually went to um, you can say the card. So it's acting like a funnel over here. It's not calculating percentage out of the homepage, but it's calculating percentage out of the previous step. So it's acting like a funnel over here. That's what we need to understand, right? And finally, we have around 225 people who actually purchased our product. So that means our overall conversion is 2.3, and this is what I've written over here using a measure. So we are just verifying that number over here. And Other than that, we have this much of total users who actually came to our website homepage, and then some of them even converted. So yeah, so this is where analysis began. We don't just say conversion is low. Let's say our conversion is 2.3, and it seems like it's a bit low. But the question is, why are 50% not even exploring products? That's what important to understand. Like we have 10,000 people who came to our first page, and out of 10,000, only 5,000 went to the product page, right? Maybe the issue could be, let's say, and even there are some cases like people where they have added a product into the cart. Why do most users abandon before checkout, right? Is it pricing, maybe user experience, checkout function? So this shift from reporting to diagnosing, so that's actually the power of funnel analysis. It actually shows you exactly where the money is leaking. And once you know that, optimization becomes focused, not random. So this is how we use funnel analysis to truly identify where are the cases where we need to improve, and that improvement can eventually lead us to get more money into our pocket. So again, we can even check out by flipping the cases like false or the true cases. The people who got converted, this is what the like funnel look like, and for those who actually didn't got like purchase, this is what it looks like. So overall, this is how we can identify our like case to truly understand the power of funnel analysis. So again, once we know that, optimization becomes focused, not random. So yeah, if you find this helpful, let me know in the comment what analysis you would like next, maybe code funnel or time-based conversion. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.